teacher knows best where his students make mistakes and compromise on their marks and chances. So let's start with our new series, Common Mistakes Made by Students in IPMAT Exam. To get more such guidance, you can visit our website and join our pre-recorded, live or classroom courses.
Hello students, welcome to Myprepway's conceptual mathematical learning series. And in this series, I want to point out a common mistake that you do in your aptitude. So specifically, it's about today's video is about the definition of even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. You will realize that although you have been studying this even and odd since your school, still you don't actually know everything about the definition of even and odd. What are even number and what are odd numbers, right? So just see here. So what happens is, generally the definition of even numbers, we say that the numbers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers and the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers, correct? That's what we say generally. Now, the limitations with these two, there is something which is missing in this data, and the limitation with this data is that suppose I write something like -6. So you will not be sure whether it's an even number, odd number or nothing, right? Obviously, it's not an odd number, we can say, but it can be nothing, okay? Even number, odd number or nothing. What is it? -6. So you will be, some of you may have guessed it, but the thing is that there is nothing. Sorry, even number, odd number and nothing. Okay. So -6 is an even number. -6 is an even number. The concept of even and odd is defined for negative numbers, right? So we have -6 as an even number, -7 will be an odd number, -8 would be even again, -9 would be odd again, and so on, right? What about this number? 3.7, something like this. Is it an even number, odd number or nothing? Okay. So many of you will say odd and many of you will say nothing. The right one is nothing. Okay. Because the concept of even and odd is not applied on decimals, non-integral values, okay? So the concept of even and odd is defined for negative numbers, as you can say, but not for the decimal value, the decimal numbers. Okay, so with this definition that the number which is divisible by 2 is an even number, the number which are not divisible by 2 is an odd number, one more line should be always said, that this definition applies only to the integer. Okay, this definition of even and odd doesn't apply on the fractional values or decimal values. Okay, so that is all in this video, right? Hope this is something interesting and something useful to you. Okay. For more such content, you can follow our offline and online courses and the recorded lectures.
Head over to our website and join Myprepway's pre-recorded or live course to watch the full lectures. Use coupon code MYPREP09 to get 500 off on all our courses.